Hello folks, this is a 2011 E350 and I would like to show you a little trick about not only opening the hood, but how to open it so you're 90 degree off. The hood releases there. Once you've got that, there's a small little lever under here. You open this up and the hood opens about 45 degrees, like so. It took me forever to figure out that Benzes, much like that old piece there, they always had a Nifty Contraption right around here on either side that allowed you to open the hood 90 degrees. And it wasn't until a week or so, all you need to do is you need to push up on it, and guess what? Now you can open this up 90 degrees.